Good morning, children. Hope all are safe at home. Are you feeling bored at home due to this COVID-19? Okay, let's have some fun with language today. We are going to learn about how to care animals. So, today we will discuss this in our topic, animals are our friends. Animals are friends. Children, do you have pets at home? Yeah, most of us will have pets at home because we love those animals. Like small puppies or kittens, some people will have rabbits, birds and all because we love them. So it is very good to have a pet at home so that the small children or the young ones at home will love to and start loving or caring for the animals. So today in our topic also we have such kind of topic here. So I want to ask you one question, children. What will you do if you see a hungry stray dog on the street? If any dog comes to your house, maybe feeling hungry, that's why it is coming near to house. What you will do at that time? Will you give some food to it? Yes? Yes, definitely. Almost all kids are very good. They love animals. So they'll go and ask their mother to give food to that animal. Yes? Okay. Next, do you think we should protect animals or should take care of animals? Yes? Of course, we have to take care of animals because we are more developed human beings. We are also like animals, but we are more developed. We have all the facilities. So that we have to take care of the smaller ones than us. So we have some story which a girl, Naina, is reading in a newspaper. That Naina also loves animals very much. What is the girl name? Naina. She also loves animals very much. If she go through some article in the newspaper about animals, she feel very bad if somebody hurts them or somebody do something harm to the animals. So it's very bad thing to hurt animals while walking on the road. Some children will do that. If a puppy or a cat is sleeping, they'll throw stones on it and they'll do something nonsense with that. But it is very wrong. We should not harm any other living thing because everyone feel pain. Yes. So let us go through that some articles which Naina gone through in a magazine. One Sunday morning, Naina opened a weekly magazine to find articles on animals. Magazine means a book. It is a book which we'll get weekly or monthly like that. It's a collection of some stories, some articles is called magazine. See, if you are having a newspaper at home, Eenadu, so Sunday we'll get one book, no? That is called magazine. Okay? So such magazine Naina is going through to know about animals. Okay, in that few articles about animals are published. Naina loved animals. She felt sad when she read or heard about an animal being mistreated. But today was different. The magazine was filled with beautiful stories about people who helped and protected animals. She quickly began reading the first article. So every time she opens the magazine and she reads the articles on animals. If anywhere she found that animal is being hurted or harmed by someone, she used to feel sad. But today the magazine was different completely. It is about the stories of people who helped the animals. So she is very interesting to read that. So let us read one article today we also and learn something about that. The rescue of Siddha, the wild elephant. So in that first one is the rescue of Siddha. What is that? The wild elephant. Rescue means to save. Kaapadam antam kada Telugulo, that one. Okay. The rescue of Siddha. Siddha is nothing but a wild elephant name. It's a wild elephant. Wild elephant means which lives in forest. The name of elephant is Siddha, which lives in forest. So what happened with the Siddha? Let us read. A wild elephant in Karnataka named Siddha had fallen into a ditch and fractured his legs. So the elephant in Karnataka, so when it is moving in forest, it fallen into a ditch. Ditch means like it's like a big hole. Okay, go through antam kada manamu. So it fallen into that and it got fractured all his legs. All 4 legs were broken to it. Poor elephant, no? Without legs, how can it walk? All the fractured means elephant is very heavy animal. Yes. Okay. So might be it is feeling very pain. For over 40 days he could not walk. Almost for 40 days it couldn't walk at all. The Karnataka Forest Department, the Indian Army, the NGO. NGO means children, it is non-government organization which will do social services for people and animals without any charge. They will do service to all. That is called NGO, non-governmental organization. Okay. Wildlife SOS came together. So, the Forest Department, Karnataka Forest Department, Indian Army and the NGO. These 3 people together work to rescue Siddha. They made a special metal structure to help him stand. So, they prepared some metal structures to make Siddha to stand properly for all the 4 legs. He was then moved to a special room so that the vets could treat him. So then he was moved to a special room so that the vets could treat him. Vets means animal doctor. You all know that. Yes, vet means animal doctor. So it was in observation of vets daily. So that if any problem is there, they will come and check immediately and they will give medicine or some treatment for it. He was improving, but he developed an internal infection. Slowly it started improving with the personal care of doctors and all. But all of a sudden, it developed an internal infection. Internal means inside the body, it got some infection. Okay, it got infection due to that injuries made when it got broken legs. Okay, because of that, it developed internal infection and many animal lovers visited him and prayed for him. But all animal lovers visited him and prayed for him that Siddha should be cured and should be saved. But Siddha did not survive. But Siddha couldn't survive. So this is one article read by Naina. Okay children, now I want to give you one work for you. I want to give you some practice work for you. Like, I hope all of you will have pets at home, or you might have done something like this. You might have saved a kitten or puppy. Yes? So, I want everyone to write such incident, one incident, if you have done that, and post in the WhatsApp group. I will select the best one. Okay children? So, do the work and send it to me. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.